In this video, we'll guide you through creating a new information extraction model in the Affinda platform. We start with uploading a document. Upon uploading, you'll be prompted to create a new document type. Our AI models will analyze the content within the document to classify it, suggesting a name and description for your document type. You can edit these fields, and our models will use this information to classify your documents. Once we are happy with our name and description, hit Continue. Now, it's time to configure some fields. We can add these manually or let the model suggest fields for us. The model suggests a series of fields on the left side panel. We can delete, edit, or add new fields to this list. Let's start by deleting a field we don't want. To do this, find the field and click the bin icon. Editing a field is just as easy. Simply click on it to view the field configuration. We're currently extracting the full degree name, but let's change it to just the field of study. After changing the name, click Repredict. Look at that! Now it's predicted just information systems. The data type and other advanced settings can also be configured from this view. Once we are happy with this field, let's go back. Now let's add a new field. For degree type, simply add the field name and our models will predict this data point. Alternatively, you can draw a box around the field on the document, and Affinda will automatically identify the name and data type. It predicted the entire degree, so let's update the data on the document to extract only the correct part. Once we're satisfied with the list of fields and their configuration, we can click Finish Configuration. This will take us to the validation interface. Users can always return to the document type editor by selecting Configure Fields. On the right side, we can see all of the fields and what our models have extracted for this specific document. We can go through each field and confirm that it's extracted the correct value, or if all the values are correct, we can click Confirm Document in the bottom right corner. When we confirm a document, it'll be added to the model's memory. This way, when you upload future documents, the model will predict the values of the fields more accurately. And that's it. You've successfully created a new extraction model. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.